Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day on this one, and I'm not going to say that the party's over because the price hasn't collapsed or anything, but the one warning flag right now is volume has really dropped off. And you compare it with Friday, and then you compare it with Thursday, and then, of course, I mean, that day was just insane. But the point here being is, as the price pulls back, this volume just drops off lower and lower. Now, yes, technically speaking, lower volume during pullbacks, lower volume during consolidations, that's what you want to see. But when volume drops off and is starting to get this low, like I said, doesn't guarantee anything. I'm not saying that the party is over. I'm just saying, in my mind at least, it begins to make sense to start to have the conversation of maybe people have moved on, maybe people have lost interest in this thing because there is just not that much volume at all. But the one area that I think could very well start to bring back the volume, bring back the interest, is if the price could get a break up there through that $1.95-ish mark. Again, no such thing as a guarantee, but a more than valid, a more than rational thought to have that if the price does work its way up there and then get the break up through there, that break very well could start to bring a whole lot more interest into the stock and, just bring that many more eyeballs to it and then, cause, the volume to get that much better, and then maybe create that much more upside momentum. But like I said, until the price can first prove itself by at least getting up to that area and breaking up through it, like I said, I'd be more on the skeptical side in terms of any sort of upwards movements. And then the other level that is very important is going to be this level down here at the $1.30 mark, meaning if the price comes down here and all of a sudden starts to just drift below that level, well, that's a pretty significant level right now, because right now that's still representing the overall chart building a higher base, which is what you want to see. Higher base is very important. And like I said, as long as the price is up above that $1.30 mark, that is what is being represented. So overall, yeah, things are looking a little shaky here, but we'll see if the price can start to get some signs of life or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.